An Eiffel Tower can expand in summer and contract in winter. As Eiffel Tower can get taller about 17 centimeters in the summer. When you place a thermometer on hot water, the level of mercury starts expanding. Why does it start expanding? The reason behind these two activities is thermal expansion. Thermal expansion is the tendency of a matter to expand on heating. This tendency of expansion can be observed in solids, liquids, and gases. Now coming to the concept of thermal expansion on thermometer. A thermometer has a narrow tube and a small bulb. Inside it has a mercury. This mercury is liquid at room temperature. When the thermometer is placed at a hot water, the mercury inside it expands due to thermal expansion, and as a result its level rises. Gasoline also expands on heating. When your bike tank is full of gasoline, there will be no space. When the heat rays directly falls on the tank starts heated up, and inside the tank the gasoline also starts heating up. The gasoline starts expanding due to thermal expansion. As a result, there is no space. The gasoline comes out with a higher speed. Usually, the railway tracks are joined together, and these railway tracks are usually made up of steel, as they expand on heating and contract on cooling. When the railway tracks are connected with each other without any space, it starts bending, and which can cause railway accidents. To avoid this, they are not joined. They are connected in such a way they have small gaps. These small gaps helps in easy expansion. Then another reason of thermal expansion. There is a friction between the railway tracks and the railway tires. These small gaps prevent the rails from bending, preventing any kinds of accidents. This now coming to the concept of thermal expansion on Eiffel Tower. We have already learned that solid, liquid, gases can absorb thermal expansion. As metal is also a solid, we can also perform the thermal expansion. And this Eiffel Tower expands in summer and contract in winter, and this thermal expansion is caused by exposure to hot summer sun. And we can not only with the Eiffel Tower but also many bridges and also roads can expand due to thermal expansion. We can conclude that every object in the universe can perform the thermal expansion.